Welcome to Engraver's Choice SST, a team of technicians, trainers, and sign makers. We specialize in service, support, and training for lasers, both fiber and CO2, as well as Class 1 and 4 models, including software and interface training. Our main concentration is on installation and training of CorelDRAW, Lightburn, EasyCAD, and of course, Engravelab, which runs most of the gear in the industry. We offer full video packages as well as PC-to-PC training, on-site one-on-one, and classroom sessions. We also provide materials application training and hardware installations. As we have said, we are a full-service center for lasers, CO2 and fiber, focusing on OmTech and Rigel, Boss lasers, and most other makes and models. We sell new and reconditioned gear and have had the North American Master Distributorship for OmTech, Rigel, and Boss lasers, working with their quality support teams on a day-to-day basis. Additionally, we support the North American territory for CorelDRAW and Lightburn, which are the two most powerful software tools in the industry. We are here for you 8 to 8, Monday through Friday, and 10 to 2 on Saturdays. Call us at 949-355-4002 or contact us on the internet at sales@engraverschoice.com. Remember, we sell the best and service the rest.
I'm Joe Braga, the owner of Engraver's Choice SST. SST stands for Service, Sales, and Training. We do not sell what we cannot service and support. I've been a trainer on technical gear since the beginning of my long service with the U.S. military. I have a teacher credential from Long Beach State, and I've made video packages for CorelDRAW, XGW from Xenetech, LaserWorks, EasyCAD, RDWorks, and most applications that involve laser engravers and routers. As said before, we do additional on-site PC to PC and remote training for laser engravers and routers. Been in the industry since 1990 and been into lasers since 95. Got into glass tube lasers in 2000 and have been doing fiber lasers since 2005. We work Monday through Friday, 8 to 8, and Saturdays, 10 to 2. Installation and training is everything. No matter how good the gear is I sell you, if it can't teach you to operate it, you're not going to be happy with it. Please call us at 949-355-4000 or contact us on the internet under engraverschoice.com and look for our many videos on our YouTube channel, Engraver's Choice. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.